Today I'm going to talk about stop motion animation. Stop motion is a generic term for moving a static object frame by frame and playing it back fast to create the illusion of motion. Stop motion has been around for a long time. We've seen it back in the day with King Kong in the 1930s, and we've seen it recently with The Corpse's Bride and Robot Chicken. It's easy animation to do, and with a few simple supplies, anyone at home can do it. And today I'm going to show you this and make yourself a movie. The first thing you need to think about is what you're animating and why you're animating it. So it would be a good idea to write yourself a script, or an outline, or a storyboard, essentially all being sort of the same thing. This is pre-production. Before you even start gathering your supplies or animating at all, you want to have a clear idea of why and what you're doing. Once you have your script ready and you know what you want to animate, it's time to go find your characters that are going to be in your movie and the set you're going to animate on, and then the rest of the supplies that go along with it. So let's go.